In this video, we listed the 5 best Creality 3D printer on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Creality 3D Ender-3. The specifications of the printer outline its capabilities clearly. It can achieve a slice thickness ranging from 0.1 to 0.4 mm, with a maximum printing speed of 200 mm per second. The power supply is rated at 350 W, ensuring efficient operation. Notably, auto-leveling functionality is absent, requiring manual adjustment. The interface language is English, catering to a wide user base. These specifications indicate a printer optimized for speed and precision within defined parameters, suitable for various applications requiring rapid prototyping or detailed prints. Number 2. Creality Ender-3 V3 SE. The Creality Ender-3 V3 SE 3D printer is a high-speed and powerful printer with a maximum printing speed of 250 mm per second and a printing acceleration of 2500 mm². It features a Sprite direct extruder for smooth filament feeding, auto-leveling with CR touch sensor, and strain sensor for auto Z offset, ensuring worry-free printing. The printer also has stable dual Z-axis and Y-axis linear shafts for high printing accuracy. Creality provides 12-month after-sales service, and the printer is quick to assemble and easy to use. Number 3. Creality K1C Speedy 3D Printer. The specifications provided for the 3D printer include a slice thickness range of 0.1 to 0.35 mm, with a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second and a power supply of 350 W. It features auto-leveling capability and supports a maximum working speed equal to its maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second. These specifications suggest a high-speed and efficient 3D printing capability suitable for rapid prototyping or production environments requiring quick turnaround times. Number 4. Creality 3D Ender-3 V3. The Creality 3D Ender-3 V3 is a high-performance Core XZ 3D printer designed for speed and stability. It features a build volume of 220 by 220 by 250 mm and boasts impressive specifications such as a maximum printing speed of 600 mm per second and acceleration up to 20,000 mm². Equipped with a 32-bit mainboard and a 4.3-inch HD color touch screen, it offers intuitive control and monitoring. The printer includes advanced features like auto-leveling, power loss recovery, and a runout sensor for uninterrupted printing. Its robust construction utilizes aerospace aluminum alloy for durability, while the direct drive extruder ensures reliable, clog-free printing with various filament types including PLA, TPU, PETG, and more. Supported by Creality OS and Creality Cloud, it provides a user-friendly experience with features like input shaping and remote monitoring, making it suitable for both beginners and enthusiasts seeking high-speed, high-quality 3D printing capabilities. Number 5. Creality Ender-3 V3 Plus. The Ender-3 V3 Plus is a high-performance 3D printer designed for precision and efficiency in additive manufacturing. With a robust Core XZ motion system integrating dual motors for rapid response, it offers a large build volume of 300 by 300 by 330 mm while occupying minimal space due to its redesigned structure. Automatic XZ belt tensioning ensures reliable operation, while precise linear rods minimize Z-axis wobbling, ensuring high-quality prints with minimal artifacts. This printer boasts impressive speed capabilities, up to 600 mm per second, facilitated by Y-axis dual motors and a sturdy metal frame. It supports a variety of filaments including PLA, TPU, ABS, and PETG, and features like auto-leveling, a quick-switch silent mode, and a 4.3-inch HD touch screen enhance user experience. Connectivity options include Wi-Fi and USB, and it supports G-code file format for versatile printing applications, making it ideal for both prototyping and small batch production in diverse settings.